Now we're going to talk about defining above-grade assemblies using method 2. This is choosing from a list of common assemblies. This is a good option if you're doing existing homes, and it's fairly simple construction methods. So you can see there's two parts here. There's this summary table, which is given here. And then down below, we have these options that you can choose. So you first select your assembly type: wall, a shielded wall, a foundation wall, a ceiling under an attic, etc. If you want any more information, hover over this here. And then you choose the components of that wall. We've got half-inch drywall, 2x4 framing at 16 on center, R14 insulation, half-inch plywood sheathing, and wood cladding. So then what we see here is a summary of all these components that we've defined, as well as a effective thermal resistance of this entire assembly. If we're defining a wall and we want to say the header at the same time, we can type a Y here, and you can see this R value populated here. If we're going to define a floor header based on all of this information with the same cavity insulation, this is going to be the insulation of our header space. And then it's just as simple as typing which ID we want it to save to. So let's go to wall ID 2, for example. We are defining the header simultaneously, and I'm not going to input a custom R value for the header, although I could, if I wanted to, I could put that in right here. Now let's save this. It gives me that same warning again, and I click save. So you can see the wall is defined as ID2, and the header is defined as header ID2, and it says that it's been defined with exposed wall ID. So that's how you define a wall and a header using method 2.